Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 Two real sisters were killed by cutting their throats during a violent clash on Thursday morning in a dispute over construction of toilet in Jaunpur. The incident took place in Kurkuri Hawa Purva in Kharagpur village of Sikara police station area. Half a dozen people from both sides have been injured during the beating. Upon learning of the incident, the police reached the spot, took the bodies of the two sisters in their position and sent them for postmortem. Heavy force has been deployed in the village in view of security. According to the information, a land dispute had been going on for a long time between Ram Shankar Pandey and Shiv Shankar Pandey, a resident of the said village. Ram Shankar Pandey was constructing a toilet on the same dispute land on Thursday. Seeing this, Shiv Shankar Pandey reached to stop. Regarding this, the family member of both her brother also reached the spot and started beating. It is alleged that Ram Shankar Pandey's son Ashish Pandey started attacking with a sharp weapon. Ashish stabbed Shiv Shankar Pandey's two daughters in Purnima, age 25, Antima, age 20, to death with the sharp weapon. As soon as the incident took place, a commotion broke out in the village. People informed the police. As soon as information was received, a larger number of force arrived. Concerning the urgency of the occasion, the body has been taken in the position and sent to the hospital, and the force has been deployed. Admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 8900 10080. Municipal election. The Trinamool leadership does not want to field elderly and sick councillors in the Kolkata Municipal Corporation election this time. The State Election Commission may declare polling on any day as directed by the Kolkata High Court. The ruling party of Bengal is far ahead of other political parties in the finalizing the list of candidates. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Photo from Twinkle Barnawal, a conventional three-wheeler running on liquid filled petroleum gas (LPG) emits approximately 0.005 ton of particulate matter 10 PM10 in a year and about 3.72 ton carbon dioxide in a year, according to the study conducted by the Engineer Research Institute (TERI) and electric three-wheel based IPT segment, especially electric rickshaw, e-rickshaw, are emerging as a winner in this transition. But in Asansol, e-rickshaw are facing problem. In most of the place, they are chased by auto rickshaw and in some place by buses. Administration is doing nothing concentrate in this regard. They are neither trying to register nor fixing their routes. Different showrooms of e-rickshaw are selling it, which is very much important in constant of growing pollution in Asansol. Man pulling rickshaw are on the verge of collapse, but it is the need of our to promote e-rickshaw. Recently, a group of Congress leadership came forward in favor of e-rickshaw.
गाड़ी घुमा, जल्दी घुमा, गाड़ी घुमा इधर से। आप लोग उधर से गाड़ी नहीं जाना दादा, बेकार का उसका आप लोग पैसेंजर है, आप लोग पीछे बोले, लेकिन हम लोग भी लोगों करें। इधर चल जा, इधर चल जा, सामने से पैसेंजर
आइए ना।
बस से नहीं उठा, बस से खुद सवारी नहीं उठा।
Let us hear what INTTUC leader Raju Aliwalia says.
শ্রমিকের স্বার্থে আইএনটিটিউসি লড়ছে লড়বে শ্রমিকের স্বার্থে আইএনটিটিউসি লড়ছে লড়বে वंदे मातरम। कल एक घटना हुआ है टोटो के साथ में, जो ऑटो ई रिक्शा चलाता है उन लोग के साथ कल एक झमेला हुआ था बानपुर में। उसके बाद में जो है बस और ई रिक्शा टोटो चालकों में बहुत अभी झमेला हुआ था। झमेला का जो है दोनों पक्ष में मारामारी हुआ है। सबसे बड़ी बात है, कानून किसी को हाथ में लेने का अधिकार नहीं है। अगर बेआईनी रूप से कोई टोटो चलता है तो उसके लिए प्रशासन है, उसके लिए आरटीओ है, उसके लिए डीएम है, उसके लिए प्रशासन का जो थाना प्रभारी है, ये लोग सब लोग हैं, इनको लिखित जानकारी देना चाहिए। लेकिन सड़क पर उतर के अगर कोई आदमी, अगर कोई भी कर्मी अगर अपने में मारामारी करता है तो हम लोग, हमारा यूनियन विशेषकर आईएनटीटीयूसी यूनियन उसको समर्थन नहीं करता। हम लोग जानते हैं कि बेकार जो लड़के हैं जिनके पास कोई रोजगार नहीं है, वो कोई टोटो लेके चला रहा है, कोई ऑटो लेके चला रहा है, तो इस तरह से बेकार युवक जो है अपना पेट भरने के लिए किसी तरह से रोजगार कर रहे हैं। हमारा सरकार, हमारी दीदी लोगों को रोजगार देने के लिए एकदम बार बार बोल देगा हम लोगों को रोजगार देंगे, बेरोजगार युवक कोई नहीं आएगा, रोजगार सबको मिलेगा। तो वहां पर सबसे बड़ा गुनाहगार कौन है? जो टोटो जो शोरूम है, जो बेकार युवकों को गुमराह करके टोटो बेच रहा है, सबसे ज्यादा वो गुनाहगार है। ये जो बेकार युवक हैं जो अपना पेट भरने के लिए, अपना परिवार का पेट भरने के लिए जो टोटो चला रहे हैं, वो गुनाहगार नहीं है। प्रशासन अगर चाहे तो जो टोटो बेच रहे हैं, जो ई रिक्शा बेच रहे हैं गलत तरीका से, बेकार युवकों को ठग रहे हैं, उनके प्रति कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। यहाँ पर आसनसोल शिल्पांचल में 46 शोरूम चल रहा है, जिस शोरूम के पास किसी प्रकार की कोई अनुमति नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी वो लोग टोटो बेच रहा है। युवक लोग रोजगार के लालच में खरीद ले रहे हैं। सबसे पहले जो टोटो बेच रहा है उस पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, उस शोरूम के मालिक को गिरफ्तार करना होगा। जो बेरोजगार युवक टोटो खरीद चुके हैं, हम लोग शुरू से बोले थे, लॉकडाउन से पहले ही बोला गया था कि हम लोग जो है उसको रूट ठीक कर देंगे ताकि इस समस्या का समाधान हो। तो उम्मीद है लॉकडाउन के बाद में ऑफिस बंद था, सारा काम काज ठप था, अभी आरटीओ ऑफिस सब खुला है। हम लोग, हमारे मंत्री आएंगे मौलादा, हमारे जो अभिजीत घटक हैं वो त्रिपुरा में चुनाव के काम में वहाँ गए हैं प्रचार में, वो लौटेंगे। उसके बाद हमारा नेतृत्व बैठेगा, बैठ के हम लोग जो है ये बेरोजगार युवक जो टोटो चलाते हैं, ई रिक्शा चलाते हैं, उनकी समस्या का समाधान होगा। और हम लोग चेष्टा करेंगे कि वो टोटो का रजिस्ट्रेशन किया जाए, उनको नंबर दिया जाए, क्योंकि पुरुलिया में भी हो रहा है, उनको रजिस्ट्रेशन मिल रहा है, और उनको रूट दिया जाए ताकि ये प्रत्येक दिन जो बस और ऑटो टोटो का जो झमेला हो रहा है, इस झमेले का हम लोग अवसान करें।
आपका नाम?
राजू अहलुवालिया, INTTUC नेता, आसनसोल।
Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 7047456855. Call on this number. Mahua. When will the local train run on Asansol Adra railway section? Thousands of people will be bothered by not running. Local trains are running on the tracks in the state but are missing in the Adra railway. After the state government have permission to run local train have started operating in different parts, but due to the non-operation of local train in Adra division of Southeastern Railway, hundred of people coming daily from Adra, Asansol to Ispat Nagari, Baranpur have to face many difficulties. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Saharanpur, Surjit Sen Gupta, according SL, ISP and Paschim Bardhaman Federation of Trade and Industries on Wednesday at Baranpur Club to promote Make in India as part of joint first opportunity. The event was organized on SEL ISP Executive Director AK Singh S. Basu, CGM Amitabh Srivastava, K. Ramkrishna, SK Gupta, Subba Roy, Electromechanical Associate KK Chandrak, Sonia Pachisdia, PBFTI General Secretary Jagdish Bagheri, etc. were present. ISP Executive Director AK Singh S. Basu, CGM Amitabh Srivastava, K. Ramkrishna, SK Gupta, Subba Rai, KK Chandra of Electromechanical Association, Sonia Pachisda, PBFTI General Secretary Jagdish Bagheri, etc. present in this official of Mumbai based Mani Mako. Alice told the official of sale about the products. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Sol STF raid in Asansol, 3 fake exchange course of time every year. One arrest, a gang of cyber swindlers was running from Asansol. Illegal telephone exchange was going on in rented house in Sugam Park, Adda Colony and Wevel IT Park of Asansol police station area. The culprit was running this illegal telephone exchange sitting at home. As a result, the country was losing crores of rupees every day. There was two state-of-the-art telephone exchange machines, and a young man from another state was arrested. Jisab AK, whose name is being mentioned in, is a resident of Kerala, and the accused was taken to the Asansol court. The police want to gather some more information about him. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830-285/700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Sanjeev Kumar Yadav, according information of vacating illegal lands by the municipal corporation. After all, the shopkeepers of Barakar Sahar are busy in breaking their shops. Breaking in front, it is learned that for the last 1 week, the people who have been constructing shop and houses on the drains and land of municipal corporation by making have been ordered to evacuate. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 180025876060. Niyamatpur, Sitarampur, and Niyamatpur is a densely populated area which is also very important in business, education, etc. But because there is no Aadhaar center here, people are having a lot of problem. As a Aadhaar card is being used everywhere at present, even government ration are not available. Considering the importance of Aadhaar card and problems of the logo, Niyamatpur Chamber of Commerce landed over the memorandum to the postmaster regarding opening of Aadhaar center at Sitarampur post office. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Wasim Khan according the occupied hotel was demolished by the municipal corporation despite posters at a few days before this. The corporation team that went to remove the hotel had to face opposition, so on Thursday she arrived with the team of municipal corporation. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Unique initiative of Coal India censored rupees Santodia working editor Vikas Prasad. Local India, the country largest coal company, has censured an amount rupees Srishti Rani, daughter of Satish Kumar Ravi, on overman working in the Deepika coalfield of Southeastern Coalfield Limited SECL, a subsidiary of Coal India, is suffering from a very rare disease called spinal muscular atrophy SMA. I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.